Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. In today's episode, we will make another healthy salad recipe. So for today, we are going to use tropical fruits. Before anything else, let's clean the fruits by washing them properly, cut them into cubes or into bite-sized pieces. Let's start. For the ingredients, we will need strawberries, mangoes, pineapple, blueberries, grapes, kiwi. We will also need 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice, a teaspoon of honey, and lastly, squeeze some lemon juice. Combine all the ingredients and serve. And here is our finished product, tropical fruit salad. I would like to shout out to the following: Trinity Lohman, Mommy Roofs, W. Thomas, Shaolin Kido, Doc Pau, Hulkao Adventuras, Shirley's Kitchen, Remedios Haskell, Saichi Johnson, Jocelyn Ukol, Gina Arellano, SNT Joe TV, Benchukoy TV, Ferras Vlog, and Mark Enrera. I will be doing shout outs at the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Till next time.